Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'm here in the outdoor testing studio for a cool outdoor product. This is a spindle replacement for a Cub-Cadet 54-inch. It also works on some Craftsman models and Troy-made models. It is actually, just so I get it right, the 918-06978 spindle replacement. I just wanted to unbox it, show you what it was like, talk about the quality, that kind of stuff. I used to race cars professionally. I love mechanical things. So while I don't have this particular unit to install it on, I can actually speak to the quality of the manufacturer and that kind of stuff. So let's take a look at it, see what we find. Ooh, it's a nice solid piece, I'll tell you that much. Oh, and it comes with the hardware to install it. That's a nice plus. Okay, so let's take a look. So yeah, this is a nice cast piece with the pulley already installed on it. Comes with the mounting hardware, which is nice. This is graded hardware, which is really cool. Overall, the fit and finish looks really nice. The paint on this is good. Listen, it's a replacement part for a high-quality lawnmower, and I think this is definitely a high-quality part. Beyond that, I can't tell you anymore, but this is absolutely really what you would want if you had to replace the part. I hope that's helpful. We'll see you next time.